everyone! Today I'm going to make French fries. French fries are served hot when it's crispy. As a snack, commonly appear in the menus of fast food restaurants. So let's start, friends. At first I've taken 2 large potatoes. I've cut it into thick strips, as you can see. Now put them in cold water. We have to boil 2 cups of water, in which I will add 1 teaspoon of salt. We have to boil it for 5 minutes. Place it on a clean cloth to soak excess water. Next, we have to refrigerate the potatoes for 1 hour. After an hour, we will fry the potatoes till it turns light brown. Now again we will deep fry it till it turns golden brown. French fries are ready, friends. Now we have to season it with some chaat masala and salt. So friends, please try this at home and enjoy with your friends and families. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Till then, all of you, take care and happy weekend.